This is where raw engineering transforms into the legendary Defender. Precision begins with people, discipline, and innovation. High-strength steel is shaped with extreme precision. Every panel is forged under thousands of tons of force. Robots ensure flawless structural integrity. The Defender's backbone takes shape. Every surface is prepared for perfection. Layers of paint deliver durability and brilliance. Every detail is examined under perfect light. Into structured body panels. Panels move forward for refinement. Excess material is removed for precise fit. With raw material shaped, the Defender begins its transformation. Automated systems streamline material flow. Overhead cranes handle heavy loads with precision.
Materials transition between specialized zones.
In the heart of precision engineering, the journey of the Ford Everest Titanium begins, where raw steel
Side panels, roof frames, and floor structures are stamped under immense pressure, forming the Everest's signature body. Automated robots weld each joint. Over thousands of precision weld points lock the structure together.
The chassis frame is reinforced, engineered for durability, off-road strength, and long-term resilience. Laser-guided systems scan every weld, ensuring zero structural compromise. Electrocoating seals the body, protecting it from corrosion for years to come.
The bare metal body enters a chemical bath, shy every impurity for perfect paint adhesion. Robotic sprayers glide in perfect harmony, applying primer with flawless consistency.
The heart of the Everest takes shape. A powerful turbocharged engine built for performance. Fuel tanks and exhaust systems are mounted, completing the vehicle's core functionality. Doors, hood, and tailgate are attached, perfectly aligned with precision robotics. Solid front and rear axles, built for true off-road dominance. Each engine begins as precision-crafted components. Hand-assembled, one engineer, one engine, pure performance. Advanced transmission systems deliver seamless power. Powertrain meets chassis. Strength meets intelligence.
Steel transforms into the iconic G-Class silhouette.
Each door engineered for that unmistakable solid close. The body takes shape, bold, box, unmistakable. Protection begins beneath the surface, built to last decades. Layers of perfection begin with precision coating. A nervous system of intelligence runs through the vehicle. Technology meets craftsmanship in every detail. The heart of the machine, securely integrated. High-voltage systems tested for flawless operation. Simulated roads, testing durability and control. Final detailing, perfection in every surface. Thousands of tons of pressure, shaping identity in a single strike. Each panel crafted with flawless geometry, built to fit like a puzzle. Robots move with surgical precision, welding strength into every joint. The body rises, a structure engineered for safety and performance. Purified and prepared, ready for its flawless finish. A hidden shield, protecting against time and corrosion. Inside the cabin, comfort and technology come to life.
See here on the schematic, this tolerance is critical. We can't afford any deviation on the linkage.
Understood. I'll use the laser alignment tool.
Power refined, translated into seamless motion. Sealed against the elements, built to endure. The first heartbeat, machine comes alive. Every weld is checked for strength and precision. Rotation systems allow full access for assembly. With structure complete, the Defender prepares for surface processing. Cleaning begins to prepare surfaces for further processing.
High-pressure washing removes all surface contaminants.
Sealed against the harshest conditions.
Only perfection moves forward.
Protected for its journey ahead.
Performance verified before release.
From factory floor to global roads. Speed meets global demand. Crossing continents to reach the world. Now undergoes rigorous testing.
Performance is tested under controlled load conditions.
Braking systems are verified for safety and reliability.
Suspension is tested for real-world durability.
Water resistance ensures interior protection.